In our previous class, we have done machine learning on our data set for regression. We have applied different models, but unfortunately, our results was not reliable. So we were unable to proceed for further step. So we need a big data set. Now, how you get a big data set? If you already have, you can use your own data set. And if you don't have, you can generate sample data from ChatGPT. So I am going to generate data from ChatGPT. Some other websites also have sample data for practice. You also try to download. Please, all participants, open ChatGPT and write a message. I want to do practice for machine learning. For this, machine learning for regression, I need sample data for practice. Data should have variation and more than 1000 observations. And send this message to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you a sample data because our previous data have no such variation. That's why we are unable to find significant relationship, or we are unable to predict based on our data set because there is no any significant variations was found in our data set. Now we need to generate another data. I think I need to refresh. I want to do practice. I want to apply machine learning. Regression model. For this, I need big data. If you want to apply machine learning regression model, you will need a data set that is large enough, at least several thousand rows, preferably able 10,000 rows. If you have minimum 10,000 rows, continuous outcome variables, mixed predictors, numeric and categorical, both you can use. You can apply here general machine learning dataset. Here are datasets are available. If I say to ChatGPT, can you generate data with more than observations? It's generating, and but we also need to visit these data set, for example, California housing data set, NYC taxi trip duration, house price, UCI, and Airbnb listing data set. So if you want to explore, you can also search these website or these headings in Google Chrome. Hopefully it will show you data set for this. Yes, here is the bulk data for real estate, data set for machine learning, patch California housing data set. So many options are available for data set. Here is the data. Maybe some files will also be available here. Yes, no ChatGPT give me a data set showing me I have generated a synthetic regression data set with 1200 observations and multiple predictors, age, salary, experience, and department, gender, and score. Download, save on your working directory, ML batch 1, ML batch 1, and save. And confirm this data set is a big or small. No, you can check. This data set have same variables, but no observations are. No, you can check about 12,000 observations. Okay, now I'm going to send this data set with you. Please first I will perform and then will give you time to perform this task. So please first understand, and then after completion, I will give you time. You will perform on this ML. I want to replace its name regression, REG. Please all participant download this file and save this file into working directory. Okay. Now today I try to perform this work on Google Colab. So please all participant open Google Colab and sign up with Google Colab if you have not signed up previously. Please all participant open Google Colab. A page will appear like this. Please confirm this page is appearing. If this page is appearing on your site, you need to select Notebook. Click on Notebook. It will show you another page for Notebook. And you need to change your Python into R, select R and save. And also select GPU. At CPU, it will show you very low speed. Select T4 GPU. Select and save. Okay, all participants please uh, save this setting and type done within Zoom chat. Please all participants type done so that I move to next step. In Google Colab, you have two options for writing. One is in start coding here or generate with AI. You can also do coding manually, or you can also apply by using ChatGPT. For example, I want to type here library, read Excel. Here is the play button. Its speed is slow as compared to our softwares on free version. If you purchase its GPU, its speed is good. Okay, no, showing me tick mark. I want to write here a message. I want to import CSV file on this page. And here, if you check, it's showing me Python. I need R. So although I have saved, but still showing me Python notebook. I will message here. I want to import CSV file on this page and want to run our script and send this message. No, you will discuss each and everything here. It will guide you step by step what you need to perform next step. But its speed is again slow. Okay, it's showing me happy to help. Here is a plan to import the CSV file and run an R script. Load the data from the CSV files into data frame. Run R script, execute the R script on the loaded data. Finish task, put the finding from the earlier stage into the format that anyone can read. No, accept, auto run step by step, or cancel. I want to click on run step by step. Now you can check it is preparing at first stage task import the CSV file, load the data, read the CSV files into data frame and display the first few rows. Here is the script to read. It is the R script read.csv. Here we provide the name or path to import our files. So my file is found in working directory. So before importing this file, now we have two options. First, we give complete path where our file is found. Second, we save our file in Google Colab working directory or folder where we have saved a new page of this Google Colab. But there is another option for you. If you don't want to run script, it will directly give you an option as like in R, click on import button, select your Excel file. No, say thanks. I need import button so that I click and select CSV file and import. It again start working, but speed is again very slow. Showing me, unfortunately, I cannot directly add a button that allows you to select a file from your local machine and import it into the notebook. However, I can provide code that will generate a file, upload, uh, wait, when executed. Once you run the cell, a button will appear. Click on it to select your CSV file. Here is the script. When I run the script, now you can check it showing me an error. Error in and here is next step, explain error. No, it will explain and resolve this error. If this button does not work, then we need to provide complete address of our file to Gemini so that it add into script. It's showing me, sorry, I run into an error. Could you try again? Yes. No, it's showing me. Great. Know that you have uploaded the file. I will, sorry. Yes. Accept and run. Again showing me an error. It is not for uploading your file. It is for adding another chat. Okay. No, don't worry. Open your working directory where you have saved your file. Here is our file. Select on this file. Yes, Dr. Nabita here.
Sir,
Mic
I
open कीजिएगा.
yes, sir. I have uploaded through this button.
Button created on your.
No, sir. The button was not created. Could you please go again onto the Google Colab?
No, it is on
Yeah.
as a chat GPT. As like a chat GPT, when you want to import, click on it here. It will give you option for upload file.
Yes.
It is like a chat GPT when we upload anything on chat GPT.
Okay.
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 We want to import our file here, Gemini, on this board.
Okay.
If you, I think if we give this file to Gemini, maybe it import, but we need to give
Yes, sir.
complete address so that it pick from our computer. So I want to give its complete address. When I click here and press here, it will give me a address. Copy.
Yes.
No. Next step is paste this address here and add slash. No, file name is, select your file name, reg, give reg. I want to import this file and send message. It's showing me I cannot directly access files from your local computer. Please use the uploaded button that appear after run the call I provided. But button not appeared. Button should be appeared here. Want to import CSV file. Please you are also try. It will give you a button. If it's working, then let me know. We will use all the same code. Again showing me an error. Please all participant run this message to Gemini and confirm me you are facing same error. Yes, there is an issue. I have selected here R, but here page is for Python. So I need to change this from Python to R to Python. Dr. Nabeed, it's working on your side. You send me a message. Please open your mic.
Yeah.
Dr. Nabeed Tahir, please confirm. Button appeared to import your file.
No, sir, no button was appeared. But again, through this plus button, I uploaded the file, and after then, it was uploaded onto Google Colab. Through
It's
this,
appearing on Google Colab.
yes, sir, the
Okay,
file has appeared on
share your
Google Colab.
screen.
So,
Share your screen. Again, share. Yes, it's appearing. Okay. Okay, no, click on Gemini.
so
Gemini.
I gave this file
Okay,
to ChatGPT
need to
also.
import this file. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now write a message. Thanks. Please take its str. Take its str. Accept and run. Okay, now check how many observations. Yes. Okay, good. Okay. Now, please can you move Gemini to at corner? Okay. Okay, now write a message. Thanks. Now I want to perform machine learning regression model. Train 80% and test 20%. And also show me evaluation report. Okay, so first read instructions. Great, I can help you with that. Here is a plan to perform machine learning regression in R, including splitting the data, training a model and evaluating it. Split the data frame into training 80% and testing 20%. Train the model, train a regression model on training data. You will need to specify the dependent variable and independent variables and make predictions. Use the trained model to make prediction on the testing data and evaluate the report RMSE and R scare scores. Okay, here just you need to define your dependent and independent variables. So you want to check salary based on other factors. So write a message, I want to check salary based on other factors. Okay, it's showing you okay, that fit perfectly with the plan we have. The next step is to split the data into training and testing set before we build a model to predict salary based on the other factors. Here is a code to split the data. No code is given, just accept and run. It will split and give you two files, but it's showing you error in library. There is no package called call tools. Same like as in Python and R, you will get you have get a message. There is no package called ggplot2. There is no package called psych. So here you also need to install R packages and Python packages. So click on explain error. Yes, there is a button. No, how to install button is given. Please, no, just run this line. It will install this tool. You need to installation same as in R or in Python. If you have installed, then try again. Yes, no, you have done a dimension of training as 9,600 and 2,400 for test. No, again say thanks. No apply model. Okay. Now run this model. Here are the result of your model. Scroll down. Here is our scare score is very good, 65%. Okay, now read this. The regression model has been trained and the summary is displayed. You can see the coefficient for each variables and their statistical significance. Know that the model is trained. The next step in our plan are the to make predictions on the test data and then evaluate the model's performance. Would you like to proceed with the making predictions? Okay, no, because you are first you need to uh, explain these results. The results are reliable or not reliable. Please copy this. I think Doctor is disconnected. Dr. Nabi Tahir, please share again.
Sorry sir, connection loss हो गया था.
कोई इशू नहीं है सर. अच्छा, अब आपने ना, सॉरी, नो प्लीज कॉपी दीज रिजल्ट्स. Not from here, from collapse. Copy these results. Open ChatGPT. Just copy last step residual standard error. Okay, copy and open ChatGPT, not here. Open ChatGPT, paste here. No, your R score is very good and MRS is also good. Please wait. I think your ChatGPT is not ready for. You need to wait. Okay, now it's showing you. And this is the summary output of multiple linear regression model. Residual standard error and residual standard error RSE is and okay, now come to multiple R squared value. The model explained 65% of variability in the outcome variables. There's really a relatively strong fit in many applied fields. So in our previous class, our MR scared score is about very low. No, our score is good. Adjusted R scared score is also good. And no, your results are reliable. You can proceed this model for further step. Okay, now come to collabs again. Okay, it's asking you, know that the model is trained and the next step in our plan are to make predictions on the test set and then evaluate the model's performance. So first, no, next step is prediction and then evaluation. Okay, say yes, perform, move to next step. Okay, now copy complete script and its output. Or wait, please, wait, please, it's working. Yes. It's showing you the prediction on the test set have been generated and the first few are displayed. Know that we have the predictions. The next step is to evaluate the performance of the model. We can compare these predictions to the actual salaries in the test set using various metrics like our scare or MSC score. No, say thanks. Please show me all prediction values and also explain prediction outcome. Yes, here are the all predicted values. Okay, now read this paragraph. It's showing you the output you see is the list of predicted salary values for each individuals in your test set. The numbers on the left, for example, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8 are the original row indices from the data frame and that correspond to the individuals in the test set. The numbers on the right sides are the salaries that are trained linear regression model predicts for those individuals based on their age, experience, department, gender, score, and performance. These are the model's best estimates of what each person's salary should be. Based on the patterns it learned from the training data to understand how good these predictions are. We need to compare them to the actual salaries in the test set. This is the next step in our plan, evaluating the model's performance. Okay, now say thanks and perform evaluation or proceed next step. Next step. Please send this message. I think internet is again disconnected on your side. Okay. No, please all participant also follow these same steps and first import your file, then write to Gemini. I want to perform regression machine learning model. So train and test data and build a model and then evaluate this model. Yes, write a message. Yes, try again. I think there is an internet issue on your side. Thanks. Accept and run. It's showing you there is no package called matrix. So first you need to install this package. Click on explain error. Okay, wait. Yes, there is the installation button. Run this code. Please accept and run. Could not find function RSK2. It's showing you need to apply library matrix function matrix package. Okay, no, please do work on this. Hopefully, you will resolve it. Read these instructions. No, again run. It's showing you run installation process of matrix. So scroll up. There may be or scroll down. There may be a installation install dot matrix install dot packages. Please move second bar. Yes. Scroll up. No, scroll down. Yes, run this library. No, 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 no. Don't. Just run complete script. No, scroll down. Scroll down more. Second bar, please, not first. There is no any option. Okay, now again click on error. Explain error. It will give you again installation button. Just run and install this button. And now all participants work on this. After completion, also generate their related plots and share within group. Also share results or summary of your regression model within group. Okay, now Dr. Nabita here and other participant, please perform now. Time for next class is going to start. Participant are sending me message for class. So I want to start next class. So please do practice and hopefully you have done so. Please accept and run. Try again, fix this, explain this error. And please make sure R square function is found in matrix. R square function found in matrix. Also write a message to R squared function is found in, copy this function. Function R square traceback is found in, make sure this is found in matrix package. Okay, now do work and try. And in our next class, we will work on our next topics. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.